everybody, did you find rational equation hard? Watch this tutorial, this is for you. My name is Relian Arbic from 11 Humes. Ta-da! First of all, radical equation is an equation. I'll give an example like y is equals to x square root of x. Now, that will have the equation of, wait, let me get my blue pen right here, over here. Now, that will be the start. Now, we will find the domain and the range of y over x, square root of x pala. The domain for this function from left to right, so we'll start with what the domain for this is it's gonna be 0 because that is the start of the domain, and this will be the infinity. Now remember, x values always starts with 0, so the value of the domain of x is always 0 because the lowest of x is 0 and the highest is the infinity, which is this one. Now that is the domain. Now for the range, we'll just have to find the, we'll do here 0 papunta naman sa right side, which is also 0 to infinity because papunta rin siyang infinity at nag-start din siya sa 0, kaya ganyan mo nahanap yung domain at yung range. Okay, get this. Now remember, the range you need to analyze the y value, the lowest y value is 0, kaya naman ang highest din niya is infinity, so the range is also infinity, kaya ako nakuha yung 0 and to infinity because yung domain is x, the range is yung y. Ano naman kung negative yung negative yung square root, like this, y is equals to negative square root of x. Paano kung ganyan? May negative sa labas. Ang mangyayari sa what do you call this? Sa graph, since the basic knowledge is this part is always positive, while this part is always negative. Understand that knowledge. There's a part of the domain, the graph where is the negative and positive, which is this what is called. Now, dahil kinuha natin to, ang magiging graph niyan, since negative yung nasa labas, pupunta siya sa negative sides. Yan, negative side. So, magi-start tayo sa in the middle part, this one. Lagyan ko ng blue. Start tayo dyan. We'll go below curve. No, yeah. because it's negative means pababa tayo ng pababa. So we need to go lower. Understand?
Rational equation is an equation that involves at least one rational expression with a fraction with polynomials in numerator and denominator. Steps to solve a rational equation. Step 1. Identify the equation. Write down the rational equation. Step 2. Determine the domain. Identify values that makes any denominator 0 as these are excluded from the solution. Step 3. Find the common denominator. Determine the least common denominator, LCD, for all fractions involved. Step 4. Multiply through by the LCD. Multiply each term in the equation by the LCD to eliminate the fractions. Step 5. Simplify the equation. After multiplying, simplify the equation to a polynomial equation. Step 6. Solve the polynomial equation. Combine like terms and set the equation to 0. Factor or use the quadratic formula if necessary. Step 7. Check for extraneous solution. Substitute found solutions back into the original equation to ensure they do not make any denominator 0. Step 8. State the solution. Clearly write the final solution, listing any restrictions based on the domain.
Hope you do!